For the Module 2 discussion, the question was, what does Albert Bierstadt's painting, Looking Down on the Yosemite, convey about the human-nature relationship, and how does Bierstadt employ principles and techniques of the Romantic aesthetic to accomplish this communication? Known as one of the Hudson River School of Painters, Albert Bierstadt was significantly influenced by American Romanticism. During this time period, the United States used the wild American landscape as a tool for cultural elevation. In addition, Romanticism, according to Dr. Callahan in Lecture 14, was employed to create a foundation for the moral and cultural value of wilderness. Because the deist perspective was popular at this time, artists' work, such as Bierstadt's, represent the idea that God is in nature, which is his purest form of his work. As a result, the human-nature relationship formed to be one of respect and admiration for the beauty and sublimity the wilderness offered. These solitude and sublime places, like Bierstadt's painting Looking Down on Yosemite, offered a direct relationship with spirituality and divinity. Upon closer analyzation as to how this human-nature relationship is conveyed, the principles and techniques following Romantic aesthetics such as aerial perspective, light absorption, and color palette must be observed. Within the image, the mountain range is given depth using aerial perspective. As defined by Dr. Callahan in Lecture 15, aerial perspective is a technique that creates an illusion of depth. In the painting, Looking Down on Yosemite, this is shown as the mountains located near the back are distant, faded, and painted in cooler tones that are similar to that of the sunlight, as opposed to the mountains that are closer in view, which are given sharp ridges and darker colors. This creates a sense of perception regarding the grandness and vastness of Yosemite. Because the height and perpendicularity of the mountains are also dramatized in the painting, the park's superiority and cultural status are also emphasized. Working together, the Romantic principles of aerial perspective and dramatizing the height create as what Sears states in Sacred Places an unworldly, even ghostly quality representing a new heaven on earth. In addition, the warm color palette chosen reflects the idea of a new heaven. Bierstadt demonstrates this theme as he uses warmer colors and uses light as it begins to radiate across the range and pierce through the clouds. A majestic, if not spiritual, atmosphere is created, evoking emotions of awe and admiration. As a result, the image created emphasizes and inspires others to escape the degenerating effects of civilization, industrialism, and to seek closer interaction with nature, demonstrating the influence of Romanticism. Through his various techniques of Romantic aesthetics and principles, Bierstadt displays themes of mystery, solidarity, and remoteness that communicate the spiritual and cultural significance and value of the human-nature relationship.